How to upload videos on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily upload your videos on TikTok. So first thing, simply open up your TikTok application, and once you're inside your TikTok application, just select the plus icon over here. So once you click on plus icon over here, you can also record a video, live video just like this, or you can choose to select from your gallery. So simply tap on this photo option and just head over to your videos section. So let me select any random video just like this and click on next. You can also auto edit it by simply clicking on this auto cut feature over here just like this, or you can just customize it by simply clicking on this video editing tool of TikTok officially and edit, trim, or add a text or music, or if some effects like this. You can also adjust a lot of brightness, contrast, or sharpness, etc., like temperature. So once you do all of that, just select next. So let me just before we do that, let me just add some text over here like this. You can also change the font style over here like this, and you can also change the color of your text. So you can also change the alignment of the text, and once you do all of that, you can also add an animation to the text, and you can just click on the text to adjust the timing of the text over here. So once you do all of that, you can just hit on the next button over here and just add a description from over here, and you can also use a popular hashtags for your video to trend virally or go viral just like this. So once you do all of that, you can click on this more option and select the video language as English, and just if you want your every uploads to be at the highest quality, just make sure to enable this option. And if you want to save any videos which you post to your directly to your device, then you can also enable or disable this option based on your choice. So once you do all of that, just click on post, and then your video will be successfully posted. And you can review your video by simply heading over to your profile section and clicking on this icon over here, this grid button over here. And you can also modify or edit your captions here, and also delete your video or save your video and or share your video as well by simply clicking over here. So that is exactly how you can easily upload a video to on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.